Welcome to PENTA SPICES. Today we are going to unbox the all new SG NEXUS Plus Kashmir willow bat that I bought from the store last week, and it's a good bat and a leather bat, and we can play both tennis ball, hard ball and every type of ball, and it is a stylish bat that is signed by Sunil Gavaskar, the legend of Indian cricket team. And you can see the label of SG Believe.become, and also we have got a pouch along with this which we can use to carry it to the fields when you play the ball. And I've played for the last 2 or 3 weeks, and it's a great performance bat, and it's playing is wonderful playing this, and it's a lightweight bat as you can see, but it's of a medium weight I think. And also the grip, as you can see, is very good, of a crisscross design, and you can see that the NEXUS Plus, and it's also signed by Sunil Gavaskar here. And also we can see this written Kashmir willow, not as good quality as in the English willow, but still it is of high quality. And also the grip makes it more easier to handle. It's a medium handle bat and not a short handle bat, and it can play for about 18 years, and it's a pro bat, and we can play it on tournaments but not on international levels, but still it's of a high quality, and you can handle it with one hand, and it's of a medium weighted bat. And you can see the main colors comes to this attraction as a fluorescent or a more yellowish type of grip makes it more attractive on the ground as well, and also the green to fluorescent tint, and also the green faded to grey color, and then orange, then black, and then white. And there are lots of colors on this bat of SG NEXUS Plus. Coming to drives, we can play the straight drives wonderfully because the weight is concentrated here on the bat, so the lower portion it is thick and the upper portion is thin. It's coming to thicker to thinner, and also the bulge is here, not here. And in many bats that I've seen, the bat is like all uniform thickness throughout, but this bat is having low thickness here and high thickness here, which makes it more consistent, and the weight comes here, and hence we can play helicopter shots and all wonderfully with the bat, because when we swing the bat there is a momentum coming on the bat, and we can play great shots wonderfully like that. Next we're going to do a wonderful video on this bat. So we will roll up, and we are written SH. I don't know what's the full form of SH, as you can see SH. And also the bottom of the bat is quite rough, that I've played for a few weeks, I told you, and it's also buried deep dirt in this thing. And also the bat is not taped, and also it's not pre-knocked bat. I knocked it with some olive oil and all, and it was quite hard to knock it, but still it is not a taped bat. That is one of the disadvantages of buying this bat, and you should buy an additional tape along with this to tape it to prevent it from scratches and all, I think. But from my experience of 2-3 weeks, I don't think there's the need for knocking or taping this bat. And now you can roll up this grip to see the inside of this bat. It's written like this, so you can it's a good willow, and also uniform covering of the handle with strings. I'm sorry, that's a good quality from SG. So we will roll it back up. It's very thick, as you can see. It's very tight grip, and also I don't assure you the quality of the bat, and I mean quality of the grip, because it is a quite hard grip. It can easily lose, but still it's a good grip because of the zigzag design, as you can see. Z. which makes it handle easily to play drives and shots easily, handling the bat like this. Scopes anything with this bat. So that's all from PENTA SPICES, and winding up by Arjun. Subscribe, like and share my video, and that's all for today. Coming again for the next video. Bye bye.